Here's a quick question for anybody out there on YouTube land that knows about these old Jags. So this is an 83 XJ6 4.2. That is the same engine as countless Jags over the decades. Anyway, this sound, it certainly shouldn't be making this sound, but I don't know what it is. And I've posted on forums and everything trying to describe the sound. All I can say is I have heard other cars with this engine making this sound, so you'd think it was a common issue. Anyway, let's have a listen. You don't seem to hear it when you rev it up to maybe 2,000 or so. Yeah, it's sort of constant rattly scraping noise. Well, it's not quite constant, it sort of fades out and then comes back in again. It's weird. If anybody knows what that is, I'd love to know. That's about it.